Hold on, before you subscribe, check out this video.
And that
The
too.
high carbohydrates out.
Right. So when I make his plates, I don't usually provide that stuff because I try to adhere to the things, but the plates got mixed up.
Okay.
So, and I try to tell him, but whatever. But as far as the proteins, or the meats, my oxtails are made out of jackfruit, mushrooms, and beans.
Okay, what kind of mushrooms you using?
I use portobello mushrooms for them, and young green jackfruit, and black eyed peas and black beans to make the oxtail, and chickpea flour to bind them together, and rice paper.
Yeah.
And then I had wings as well. The wings are breaded in chickpea flour, fried in grapeseed oil, and I use enoki mushrooms.
Okay.
And I also made the ribs, which are made out of jackfruits as well.
You're using some good stuff, but like for diabetes, I would recommend no cook food, especially with him because he got diabetes mellitus 1, meaning he insulin dependent. And all of the things that you just said, once the body break them down, it breaks down into glucose, and that's what the pancreas needs. When you look at the pancreas create these 3 different types of cells. You have the alpha cells, you have the beta cells, and the delta cells. The beta cells produces something called insulin. And the whole point of insulin is to act as a key mechanism to unlock the cell to allow glucose to make it into the actual cell to be used as energy.
Vegans are not as healthy as you think. I want y'all to understand that. Now, a lot of y'all think if you make chicken tenders out of mushrooms or wings out of cauliflower, that you're actually taking the healthier choice. But a healthier choice does not mean healthy. You cannot go in nature and find a cauliflower wing. It doesn't exist. Mushroom chicken tenders don't exist in nature. You are still taking that vegetable or fruit or whatever and putting it through a process. So that is still processed food. I want you to understand that different seasons that you put on your food are not healthy for you. Seasoning is not healthy for you. Meat has been deemed unhealthy, but really meat that like in the Bible it say you should only eat meat from animals that eat the cud, have split hooves, and are like slaughtered in a certain way or killed in a certain way. Mostly beef, lamb, and there might be some other meats that I'm not thinking about, but mostly beef is good for you if you cook it with butter and salt it with like pink salt or Celtic salt, or maybe even some sea salt. That's good for you. That's not unhealthy. Also raw fruit and raw vegetables are good for you, but once you start cooking it and adding different seasonings and sauces and all this stuff, it's no longer healthy for you. It may be a healthier choice, but it's not healthy. Just want you to know that. I also like teas, water with minerals in it. Just plain water is not good for you. All it do is flush you out and flush out the minerals you need. You get what I'm saying? It's like basically like washing your hair with shampoo and not putting nothing in it after you wash it. You get what I'm saying? It's cleaning your hair out, but after that it get dry and brittle if you don't moisturize it and put minerals in your hair. You get what I'm saying? So I just want y'all to know that a lot of y'all might disagree, but I'm trying to put y'all on to something. And also, if you eat meat, you might not need to eat as much. Fasting is healthier than eating all the best food, but you can double that, triple that health benefit with fasting and then putting the right food back in your body. And I am a hypocrite because I go off and on eating good and eating right, but this year I gotta get it right because health is so important. But I just want y'all to know that throughout this health journey that I'm realizing that a lot of stuff that is deemed healthier is not healthy. Let's get it. Hit that button, subscribe, follow, comment, share. Tell me what you think. Do you agree or do you disagree?